I think there are levels of, benefits. I think when you're hot off the griddle, so to speak, with being in an impasse, I think there's obviously a motivation usually to try to work on it. So it's very immediate and accessible. As you kind of have less of an immediate situation, there is a kind of distance from it. So it can't help to become a bit more a great interest and value, but it isn't quite the same punch. But I do think that there is many times a benefit, profound benefit to listening to other people, and you might recognize yourself in that other person. And there's a benefit from capturing the climate of how these things are investigated, so that even if one is a novice therapist, it begins to open their eyes to the possibilities. So the idea is this is how we look at it, and there is a methodology to this, and in my own education, with Bruno Bettelheim, who was an expert at distilling out isolated examples and then making them into major lifelong lessons. And I wasn't a therapist, but it really affected my interest in examining the specifics of relational situations. So if that can be also embedded to some degree in a student, that they begin to appreciate there's way more here than meets the eye, I think that itself is of great value, even if they're not, quotes, there yet. But it tells them, when you get there, start looking at the details.